नमस्ते सभी को, स्वागत किया है मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल से। और बात करेंगे आप लोगों के साथ सेंसेक्स टुडे के बारे में। सेंसेक्स टुडे इंडेक्स स्टॉक मार्केट लाइव अपडेट्स। निफ्टी falls below 25,150, market fall to today's low. Stock market live updates. The Indian market are in a highly volatile space, with the Nifty index trading around the 25,200 mark, with a sense of around 30 points. The Nifty Bank is the witnessing a steeper cut with a decline of around 200 points, drifting further away from the 60,000 mark. Stock market live updates. The Nifty bulls return to the ring after a 10 lakhs crore rout on the weekly expire session, triggered mainly by breaking of key technical level and the ongoing global tariff uncertainties. The last line of the defense for the Nifty is now the 20-day, 200-day moving average near the 25,100 mark. Tuesday low of the 25,171 will be a key to watch. Wall Street sell-off overnight appears largely price in. The Nifty put call ratio now stand at 0.72 from 0.77 earlier. All depend on the Nifty Bank, as the benchmark is running in tandem with the moves there. The Nifty Bank also failed to defend 59,500 on the Tuesday, raising concern. Earning reaction today came from AU Small Finance Bank, President System, United Spirit, India Mart and others, Bank of India, Anand Ras, Dear Reddy's, Eternal, HPCL, KEI Industries, among others, will be reporting result today. Also, keep an eye on Bazaar Style Retail, Kupit and Restaurant Brands Asia for the representative fundraising announcement. Watch the space for all the live market updates, commentary and earning reaction. Sensex Today stock market live updates. Kotak Insta liquidity on CBNC TV. Need to watch out for the bond market globally. India is neither a higher growth nor a shift. MKT no AIPL leading to fail. Selling. India is in a cashier space via global market. Raising the commodity price is also a concern for India. If the environment worsens further, we will see the fewer new IPOs.